Hello friends, this is your girl Josie. I hope everybody is doing very well. Today is another day and we're going to do my manta hair binder. This binder I'm supposed to cut stuff it every week. But if things doesn't go as planned, then we are too late. But I'm starting the month. This is the first time I'm cut staffing this binder for this month. So let's go ahead and look at what is going on. For those of you who are new here, I have this binder for my manta head. I have some bills that I really want to be a manta head, so I have them listed here. So I have my mortgage, food, gas, car insurance, phone, electricity, home gas, internet, Apple One, and miscellaneous. This stuff, if I'm a manta head, it means I'm ready to go. It means that if I don't work the whole month, your girl can have a peace of mind without getting stressed. So every week I want to cut stuff $100 for this, and I make a progress tracker for that. Some of you have been asking me whether I have it on my shop. I do not have it on my shop. I might have the digital copy being posted very soon, but in a binder form like this, I don't think I'll have it. I'm kind of going back and forth, and if I'm not really convinced that people really need this, I don't want to put it in my shop. That's me. I don't just want to put nothing in my shop that I think that people are going to buy, and it's just a manta head progress. So I'll put a digital on. I haven't listed it yet. I'm doing a lot of transition when it comes to my business, so I might do it later. So for now, let's go ahead, count the money and see how much we have. 50. I hope everybody is doing very well. I want to say hi to my new subscribers. For my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. 20, so that make it 70. Then I have, let me bring it here. 10, so that make it 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that makes it $100. So every week I want to put in $100. And a manta head is just as simple what it is. You know how much you spend in mortgage. So for this tracker, it comes in 50 leaves. So I've divided the amount by 50. It means if I put $50 here and I finish the whole thing, I'll get $2,500, which will be for my manta head. So this today we are doing 50 for mortgage. So let's see how much we have so far. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let me put it back in, and I'm tracking it, faithfully tracking it. So I'll go ahead and do this one. Okay, the pen is not prepping very well, but okay. Then when it comes to food get $20, and we should have 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you want to do it, you can follow along and do the same thing. You can set this up by using just a regular envelopes. And if you want this, is on Amazon. I bought them on Amazon. Everything is from Amazon, which I'm working on my Amazon storefront so that I can share this stuff with you guys as well. For gas is getting $5. So I should have 7 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. I can't wait to get this done. It looks like it's going to take really a long time, but I'm hoping that if I get some extra money, I'll do more leaves instead of just one. Then this one is the car insurance, and that one gets $6. So 5 and 1. Over here. And So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I do have 7 of the 6. I'm leaving it like this because I don't want to make sure I'm on track with it. So, okay. Then for phone get $4. So we should have about $28. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, $28 for phone. One of my friends was telling me that that's a lot of leaves. 50 leaves will take forever, but I'm doing it according to how my budget is. Like $400 every month towards this is not easy at all. Electricity get $4, so we should have 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, $28. Yeah, so I don't want to like stress myself because of this. I don't want to stress my budget. So I'm making sure I'm just doing it in the simplest way that won't break the bank. Okay. And for home gas get $3, so that'll be 21. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yep, 21. And this one also get $3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This one get $1 for the apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then miscellaneous get $4, and that's the last one. $4, so we should get 28. Let me see. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 28. That's also miscellaneous. Anything that I set up my cast staffing, I add miscellaneous because maybe I'll forget something and that will not go very well when it comes to my budget. So I do add miscellaneous just in case I forgot to set something. So now I will do my main one. So we done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we still have like 43 to go. Leaves to go. And like I said, I'm going to try and see if I can make extra money and I'll put it here. But because I'm paying off my student loan, I'm not really well how everything is going to my student loan, any extra money. So this is how my month ahead look like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave in the comment if you have any questions. Like I said, I know some people have been asking me if I'm going to have it available in my shop. I'm not sure yet. I'm still kind of contemplating. Okay, so thanks for watching me today. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.